Okay, babe, how do I get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing?
So first of all, you don't need any followers to start with. You don't need to be fucking famous. And to prove it to you, I even killed my 1.2 million follower Instagram account and started this new one from scratch. And under 90 days, I already made over $300,000. Now to get started, just pick a niche.
Babe, I don't know anything about any of this.
That's fine. Don't overthink it, because just pick one of these 4 here on the board right now. I did the thinking for you.
Okay, what's next?
So then you just go to this website right here. You can sign up for free. Then you click on Marketplace, and then you choose a product that I recommend is where you get more than $1,000 commission per se. When you found a product that pays you more than $1,000 commission, then you get your free link. Then you place that link on your Instagram bio, and now we turn attention into money.
Okay, and then?
You just create simple 7-second videos in that niche or about that product. And no, you don't need to dance and you don't need to sing. There's a hack. You just go to this site right here, and then you find other videos that is already proven to work from others in your niche. Then you simply just model it and posted them on your Instagram. Then when you model what is already proven to work, then you redirect those views to the link in your bio, and when they buy from that link, you get paid. This is high-ticket affiliate marketing, and it's not just working for me. Take my student, for example, Mark. He used to be a taxi driver. He did this on the side while working 10 to 12 hours every day as a taxi driver. He still got time to do this simple thing here, and now he has all of the time in the world for his kids and his wife. And if you want to know exactly how he did it, then I'm hosting a free training on exactly how he did it. If you want in, just follow me at InstaKingPhil and comment yes under this video. Let's get it.